Perfect.
Though, but I'll tell you, we got power. Oh, we got power. Oh, we got power, guys. Oh, man. Uh-oh. Alarm urgent service. Oh, no. Come on.
Let's go for a ride. Watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
Finally, my very first ride on my 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. This bike is beautiful, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. But I will tell you guys, this bike is very different than my CBR 1000 II, man. But anyways, let's go for a ride here and I'll tell you all about it, baby. I love that display. Aprilia. Look at that V4, baby. It's like I'm getting ready to watch a movie or something. CycleCruza having a good time. Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. That V4, baby. Very different than the inline 4, man. It feels really different, guys. First off, I want to say this bike doesn't feel all that much heavier than my CBR 1000 RR. Even though it's like 19 pounds heavier, but just sitting on it, rocking it side by side, feels very similar. But I'll tell you that KTM 1290 Super Duke R felt top heavy to me, man, because it sits more upright. It seems like the big old hump of a tank. I'll tell you why I didn't choose that bike. There's and all the other bikes that I had on my list. I'll do that in another video. This is just the first ride on this bike and share my initial thoughts on this bike. Okay, first off, the seat is comfortable. The riding position is upright and is comfortable, but it is a little racy, like they say in the videos, but it's like a cruiser to me compared to the CBR. As far as the feet position, legs on the pegs, it feels about the same as a CBR, I guess. It's racy. It's comfortable to me though, but I'll tell you, we got power. Oh, we got power. Oh, we got power, guys. Oh, man. Oh, snap. I think this does hit harder than the CBR off the line, man. The first gear, honestly, just right off the line doesn't feel all that different, but once you get on that throttle and you hit up to 5,000 RPM or more, bam, woo, you feel that power, boy. But I tell you, I need some sounds on this bike, baby. I need some sounds because it reminds me of the CBR 1000 RR when I first got it with stock exhaust. Sounds like a scooter, but you can hear that V4. It's different. Oh yeah, baby. Woohoo! As far as the turn-in feel, it's good, man. It's good. Honestly, that Ducati X Diablo actually turned better, believe it or not. I mean, this doesn't turn bad at all, don't get me wrong. It turns, you counter steer, it turns, no problem. But that X Diablo, man, that thing just died in the corners, and that's crazy because that bike is a cruiser. But this bike, I'll tell you guys, it's different, man. It is really, I'm not, the throttle feel of it, it feels kind of delayed a bit. Whoa, what did it shut off for, man? That was weird. It like hesitated. Okay, it's like, I don't know about, you know, the throttle feels a little bit off compared to the CBR. CBR, obviously it has the cable, you know, as where this is high tech with the ride-by-wire. But what's up with this? What is this? Alarm service urgent. What the hell is this? The heck, man? Alarm service. I didn't punch in the code, so I don't know why it's doing that, man. I had a first service done on this bike, by the way. I don't know why why it did that. That's weird, man. Alarm service. What the heck? Weird. I hope I didn't get sold lemon, man. Like they say, a cheap man pays twice, man. I hope I don't end up paying twice, because this bike is too expensive. That was weird, man. I don't know what's going on with this. We'll see if it does it again. But I tell you guys, these Brembo brakes are, I love the M50 Brembo brakes, man. Woo! Super strong. What is it doing that for, man? It did that hesitation again. What the heck is that? You tell me I gotta take this in, man. I'll tell you guys, if I was sold a lemon, I'm gonna tell you exactly who sold it to me and what dealership. I'm telling you, man, because he told me that it is like brand new, and he wrote it himself. But I don't know what's up with this hesitation, man. That's weird. Let me get on a back road here, man, so I can get on the throttle again and see what it does. That's alarming, man. By the way, the mirrors are good. I'm gonna take them off, and I'm going to put on bar-end mirrors if I keep this bike, man. I don't know what's going on here, brother. I don't know. I'm not really hit with the ride-by-wire throttle on this, though, man. I like my CBR's cable throttle, but I love that X Diablo's ride-by-wire throttle, man. I don't know. Maybe this needs to be tuned on a dyno or something. Oh, that's why you buy brand new, guys. Pay the extra money. Oh, man. No wonder dude sold it with 751 miles on it. Oh, man. We'll try it. Like I said, let me get to a back road, man, so I can get on it. This is weird, man. Weird, weird, weird. And the ABS is flickering. Don't tell me this cut off, man. The bike cut off. The heck? I hope I don't have to walk this home, man, or get called for a tow. Man, I don't know, guys. This is weird, man. Maybe just because I'm not used to this. I don't know what's going on here, man. Okay, let me not use the clutch and see what happens. Uh-oh. Alarm urgent service. Oh, man, I gotta take this home. What the hell? This is some BS, man. Let me cut it off and let it chill for a minute. This is some what? I had no issues until I turned this camera on, man. Oh, no wonder that sales guy didn't follow up with me, man. Oh, man. At least I still got the factory warranty on there. I'm going to have to take her in, guys. Oh, man. I don't know about this, guys. I might have to go ahead and sell this bike and get the KTM. Oh, man. I think this is prettier than the KTM, though. That's a shame. Ah! How? Why? Me, man. I'm about to take this home and go get the YZ, baby. Or go get my reliable CBR 1000 II. This is some BS, man. This is some BS. And then it's got the check engine light on. SOB, I want to do a lot of cussing right now, guys. But you know, I've cleaned it up for YouTube. Because YouTube went Disney. So I got to keep it clean. Look at that. The engine light's on, man. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh no, come on. Come on, no, man, not on the road. This has never happened to me on a motorcycle, not even a Chinese scooter, man. Oh, come on. Come on, man. Oh my goodness, how embarrassing. Oh, come on. This is what you get when you buy a bike blindly and you have it shipped from another state. Oh. Alarm, urgent service. What is alarm, urgent service? I just want to get home, man. Oh, come on, light, turn! Turn, light! What a joke, man. What a joke, guys. I picked the wrong bike, man. Oh my goodness, man. Come on, turn, light! Come on, baby, get me home. Get me home. Come on. Please get me home. I don't want to walk this home. God! Let me pull over here. This is bull, man. Hopefully luckily, oh man. Oh, I gotta coast home, guys. Luckily I was able to creep home. Very embarrassing on my Italian bike. Oh man, that Ducati X Diablo never let me down. I can't believe, man, my very first ride on the Aprilia. And I tell you, the bike was fine until I started recording a moto vlog. Oh man, dude, that sucks. But I tell you guys, that makes me really appreciate my CBR 1000 RR. This bike has never let me down, man. And I'll tell you guys, I don't really like that ride-by-wire throttle on that bike. I don't know, maybe something's wrong with it. I'll wait until it gets fixed, because it is under warranty. And so I don't know, man. But I'll tell you guys that my CBR 1000 RR is boss. I tell you, that's why I keep this bike. This bike keeps me riding and not have to deal with taking it to get it fixed. Like I said, I'd rather be riding than wrenching, and this bike keeps me riding. And I'll tell you guys that although that bike pulls harder, you know, off the line down low than this bike, the mid-range really, my CBR feels just as strong, man, in the mid-range. There's a little bit more character. Oh man, the twisties is shut down. Can't go have fun in the twisties, man. If I was on my YZ, I'd go over there anyhow. That sucks. This bike is awesome. CBR. That Aprilia junk so far, man. We'll see it. That's probably, oh man. Yeah, I love the CBR, baby. Love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Yeah. You always been good to me, always been there for me, CBR. Can never get rid of you. Never. Telling you, man. Forget them European bikes. Stick with Japanese. I'll give KTM a try and see if they're any better, man. Some bull BS. Move out the way. I'm gonna go full ride. Telling you, man. Honestly, I like my CBR better. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. I love you, CBR. I love it. Yeah. People think I'm crazy. I love this bike. This bike, I love the feeling of a cable throttle, man. I'm not hip with this technology, although that XDI was perfect though. For a that Aprilia just was weird, man. I love the power. The sound was all right. You know, it definitely needed a pipe on there. It sounded like a scooter to me with the stock exhaust, no matter what RPMs I was in. And it was, like I said, just, I didn't feel a direct connection with the throttle. And I had it in race mode, by the way. That is the map that's supposed to be direct connection to the throttle. And I had all the traction control turned off. I had the electronics turned off on the bike, or cut down to 1 for the traction control. But in race mode, man. So yeah, I hope I didn't get screwed, guys. Like I said, it is under warranty, so if the engine's bad, they'll have to give me a new engine. And I had the first service done too. I had it done at the dealership before I even took possession of it at 751 miles. So there you go. But I feel so upset now, man. It's like I gotta go ride. Woo! Yeah, I'm being a douchebag, baby, and I love it. I love my CBR, man. This bike is amazing. You don't need any other super bike. I'm telling you guys, man. You don't need all the latest and greatest, all the electronics and all that BS. You don't need it, man. I'm telling you guys, all you need is the CBR 1000 double I. Yeah, baby. Feel good. Real good. I love it. I love it, even though I got screwed on that Aprilia so far. But this just brightened my day up. It took me out of the depression, and let's get some throttle action here. Listen to this awesome exhaust. Listen to it. Yeah. Woo! I love it, baby. Look at her. I'm going to get after them tomorrow, baby. You better believe that. But anyways, guys, for those of you guys who want to get my gear, you know, this new jacket, my new helmets, camo pants, boots, gloves, everything, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website, CycleCruza.com, click on the menu tab, My Gear, and that's links to all my stuff.
Hit thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.